Hello students, for today's Remote Monday activity we are going to be looking at capitalization rules. I have seen some issues with this among some other things in our writing and assignments lately, so I want to go ahead, spend the next couple weeks on Monday to review just some basic grammar stuff. We'll go over capitalization, functional sentence writing, and functional paragraph writing. So let's go ahead and jump into our capitalization rules. Alright, so first up, capitalize the first word of a sentence. This one's easy. Always capitalize the first word of a sentence. Examples, the cat is sleeping. The T in the is capitalized. Number 2, capitalize names and other proper pronouns. You should always capitalize people's names. Example, my favorite authors, Jane Austen. That J and A and Jane Austen are capitalized. That is a name. Names are proper nouns. The names of cities, countries, companies, religions, and political parties are also proper nouns. You should capitalize them too. Example, we experienced some beautiful Southern California weather last fall when we attended a Catholic wedding in San Diego. Catholic is religion, capitalize that C. San Diego is a city, capitalize the S and D. And Southern California is a region in a state, so we capitalize all of that. Next, you should also capitalize words like mom and grandpa when they're used as a form of address. Example, just wait until my mom sees this. But that's when you should capitalize mom. The second one's when you should not capitalize mom, which is where you say my mom is not going to like this. Don't capitalize after a colon usually. In most cases, you don't need to capitalize after a colon. Example, I have one true passion, wombat racing. That you don't need to capitalize. There are a couple of exceptions. One is when the word following the colon is a proper noun. Example, there's only one place I want to visit, New York City. That obviously gets capitalized because that is a proper noun. Next, the other exception is when the words follow the colon form one or more complete sentences. Example, Maggie wears a brimmed cap at all times for these two reasons. Strong light often gives her a headache. She also likes the way it looks. Capitalize the first word of a quote sometimes. Capitalize the first word of a quote when the quote is a complete sentence. So Mario asked, what is everyone doing this weekend? That is a complete sentence. That's where you capitalize that W. Don't capitalize the first word of partial quotes. Example, Gretchen said she was way too busy to join the gym. That's where we don't capitalize. Capitalize days, months, and holidays, but not seasons. The names of days, months, and holidays are proper nouns, so you should capitalize them. Example, I hate Mondays. Capitalize that M in Mondays. Tom's birthday is in June. Capitalize that J. And oh no, I forgot about Valentine's Day. Capitalize that V and D. The names of seasons, however, are not proper nouns, so there's no need to capitalize them. I hate winter. No need to capitalize that. Capitalize the words in most titles, or capitalize most words in titles. So the capitalization rules for titles of books, movies, and other works vary a little between style guides. In general, you should capitalize the first word, all nouns, all verbs, even short ones like is, all adjectives, and all proper nouns. That means you should lowercase articles, conjunctions, and prepositions. However, some style guides say to capitalize conjunctions and prepositions that are longer than 5 letters. Sense and sensibility is better than pride and prejudice. No need to capitalize those conjunctions. And the first movie of the series is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. No need to capitalize the article in conjunction. Capitalize cities, countries, nationalities, and languages. The names of cities, countries, nationalities, and languages are proper nouns, so you should capitalize them. Examples, English is made up of many languages, including Latin, German, and French. Capitalize all those first letters. My mother is British and my father is Dutch. Capitalize that D and B. And the capital of Botswana is Gaborone. Capitalize that G and that B. Alright, and here are just some capitalization rules to finish us off here. Capitalize the first word of every sentence and every new line. Capitalize the first word of quoted sentences. Capitalize the name of people. Capitalize the names of streets, cities, provinces, states, and countries. Capitalize the place or specific location. Capitalize words derived from proper nouns. Capitalize the names of books, movies, arts, articles, etc. Capitalize the pronoun I. Capitalize an interjection, an exclamation. capitalize an opening and closing of a letter. So let's go ahead and take a look at our assignment. All right, so please rewrite the 10 sentences below in the right column using correct capitalization. Example, our cousin Kiki is coming from Japan for a visit. Corrected example, capitalize that first word in the sentence, capitalize the name, and capitalize the country. So all of these sentences below have proper punctuation. All you're going to need to do is capitalize the proper words. This is graded based on accuracy and it is worth 10 points, due at midnight tonight. As always, please email me if you have any questions and have a wonderful day.